Very good morning, students. After a long span, we are discussing now, and today's topic of our discussion is a market survey. Just reminder for you all. I told you that every student have to submit his own idea, and that is actually the competition. So this is a reminder again for you, and it carries some weightage in your examination. Ready? So be serious, and as early as possible, just submit your ideas so I can evaluate you. Okay. Now the second thing, this is the market survey, and this syllabus is common for theory and for practical too. Okay. So market survey, I would like to remind you, it's extension 355, which having course title entrepreneurship development and business communication. Second, two things are there. First is the entrepreneurial development, and second one is the business communication. You should be an entrepreneur first, and as you start your enterprise, then when you start your business, then what things will be helpful for you. So this course is containing at all these things about the development and about the communication skills. Okay. Prior to this chapter, uh, I would like to tell you, you all have performed well in the midterm examination. I have gone through this course, and with some exceptions, almost all have done it well. Okay, so very first, our topic is a market survey. Okay, so what is market survey actually? Or the what you think, what you interpret about the market survey? As I told you, entrepreneurship development and business communication. So this is the chapter which is related to directly related to our course. Actually, just forget about the course, forget about the class teacher, but just think of at your personal level. Market survey. And actually, both these, if you study these two terms independently, then it's quite simpler for you. Market first and survey. What is market? That you have studied in economics. And survey. Survey, that means to survey something or to have a survey, not a surveillance actually, but survey, to study something, some parts. Okay, even it's common word for us that uh, what is the statistics, or how one can identify, or the how the parleji that G Mane Genius, how they are claiming that India's largest selling biscuit, because they have surveyed the things and then came to the what you can say, the judgment that this Parle-G biscuit is the largest selling biscuit in the world. Okay, so for that sake we need a survey. So what is market survey actually? Now just go to the theoretical terms. It's first is a market research tool, because it's a kind of research, and some outputs came out by conducting market survey. Okay, so it is the market research tool. What it does, it gathers opinion from consumers on the given aspect of a product under survey and defines a verdict, that is a judgment. Getting? So what exactly the survey done? It does, or it gathers opinion from the consumers about a specific product. Getting? Actually many examples, or the many advertisements you are watching, and every advertisement is what you can say, the claiming on their own sentences, or the own judgments. Getting, at just moment ago I told you that about the Parle, India's largest selling biscuit. So like LG or the Samsung, okay, eyeball or the iPhone, what actually they know their consumers. You just tell me one thing, when you have watched the that advertisement of Audi or BMW on the common TV channels? Never, because they know very well their consumer is not watching the that daily soaps or nothing else they are watching. They are just interested in watching the market news. So you can see Z Business or the CNBC, that kind of channels where you can find the BMW or the Audi advertisements. Okay, so actually this is a survey. Actually, this is the survey. They know how they know their consumers, because they have studied, they have done the survey, conducted the survey. Okay, so it gathers the opinion. Then the trade needs this tool. Why it is needed? Because to pick up the vital leads to plan the new setting, business expansion, product betterment, amalgamation, merger or diversification. That means for overall growth of the firm, it is needed to conduct the survey, or any enterprise wanted to enter in the market newly, then it conducts this survey. Any foreign product, whenever it is introducing in the market, prior to introducing, they conduct this survey. Getting what I'm telling? So this is actually the issue about the market survey. When you define the market survey, what is market survey? It is an objective and systematic collection, recording, analysis and interpretation of data about existing or potential market for a project or a service. It, what does the or what survey does, it interpret or analyze the data for what? For the potential market, either for a project or for a service or for a product, whatever it might be. Ready? So for that sake, the some simplification we need to do. First thing, the sampling. Sampling, that means, as like we say, no, sample it. Sample it. It is not like the rasa misal, that the give me a sample. It's a rasa. Nothing. That sample is not there. I'm asking. But I'm telling that the we take some specimens, specimen samples. No, as any gunny bag full of wheat grain is there, then we just take a sample to analyze the quality of that wheat grains. Getting, that is a sampling actually, but it's just ordinary or rough sampling. But scientific sampling means select a group to represent the cross section of the consumers for collecting the requisite size of data. That means we are picking that group of specimens, or the what you can say, the group of people, group of product, whatever, which is representing the cross section of the consumer. That means everybody is having the same quality, that is the consumer, whatever. So that is a sampling technique. It's then questionnaire. What is questionnaire? Questionnaire is a simple productive tool to aid you in obtaining the constructive feedback from both existing and potential consumers or the customers. Questionnaire, प्रश्नावली, आपण मराठी म्हणतो त्याला प्रश्नावली, that you will ask the question to the consumer or the customer and they will respond you. A questionnaire is placed before the consumers for their honest response and their feedback. It might be opinion, it might be view or comment, and it is analyzed to project the findings. Then ways to do or conduct the market survey. Either you can ask the people face to face, or either you can conduct web-based online surveys. Okay. Whenever we conduct the face to face survey, it's quite time consuming and laborious. Getting? Then web-based online surveys. These are completed in a real time without personal contact and sooner than the other kinds of survey. What is advantage of web-based online survey? It can also use the audio-visual features and image highlights which boost the response rate. We can make it attractive and ultimately which will boost the response rate. Data is intact, that means it remain away from any manual manipulation. Getting? It involves minimum staff and minimum travel. As well, it is very efficient method and cost effective method. So there is a scope for enlargement of the sample size without the extra expenditure. Getting? And nowadays you will see many softwares are there for analysis or the formulation of results. So that is actually the advantage of the web-based online surveys. Then categories of market survey. Two types. Either you can directly conduct this survey amongst the consumers, or either we can have a survey in business. Getting? Whenever we conduct the consumer market survey, it includes the buying habit of the individual people about the particular product. Then business to business market, it is also called as industrial marketing research, and it investigates the market for product sold by one business to another. Okay, so it's a business to business market research. Then importance of the market survey, it helps to know who is your customer. That means whatever the product you are launching, uh, specific category customers are there. Ready? For the chocolates or yes, for the chocolates that the children are the consumers. Okay, then you can see the many that chocolate advertisements. Um, they offer some toys, might be smaller in or they offer some stickers because they know children like to have such stickers. Getting? So that is actually the market survey. Or even sometimes what happen, that that company is intended to, or their expectation is that their consumer will be that one or the whoever. But in real, when the product is introduced in the market, that time it is accepted by all categories. It is accepted by all categories. For example, I can say, I will take the example. Usually that dairy milk, getting Cadbury's, especially children like to have such Cadbury's. But you can see the advertisements nowadays that dairy milk is preparing their advertisement more and more romantic. Getting? So they are attracting their consumers. They are attracting the youth. Getting? That means if you consume the dairy milk, then definitely you can have a crush, like something. Getting? So importance of the market survey, it helps to know the primary consumer. Then you can identify who is your competitor and what percentage of your competitor have dominated the market. Even you can identify what is the strategy of your competitor to find the customers. Or actually, as a market survey is as like the market insurance or the market risk. Actually, it's what you can say, it is acting like an insurance. Because what does the insurance? If you get fired or these some by some mis things, it let you protect. So market survey is playing same thing. Before launching your product in the market, it identifies the scope and space of your product. So you can minimize the risk. Then it lowers the chances of investing too much in a project which is doomed to fail. Getting? Then help to tailor the product to target consumer by defining their needs and wants, thus improving the level of success. For example, people like to have your product, but they need it. They sometimes they advise in the surveys that our product should be in that way. Getting so this is actually the importance of the market survey. Then assisting management in decision making. It assists the management in decision making. Then which related to the identification and the solution of problem and opportunities in marketing. It assists the management. Then market survey helps to identify and assess how the changing element of the market impacts the customer behavior. Changing element of the market. Actually, it's a dynamic thing. It's a dynamic field. Every day the customer's behavior is changing. Every day customers' tastes are changing. Getting it was not like that. The Colgate is the brand. No, nowadays people always like to what you can say. They taste something new, and if it is in offer, then ultimately definitely people are going to buy. Actually, this is not the thing. Actually, that the sale or the discount, but it give you or it diverts the customer mind. Then uh, it determines the target market. Then it discover what people want, need, believe, and act toward this project or the product. And it market survey help to identify the consumer likes and dislikes. So accordingly, we can manufacture our product. Okay, so this is all about the uh, market survey, the definition, then the common type. Actually, common types. So we need to start next lecture, but we have seen the importance of the market survey. Actually, for today, it is enough. By the next day, we'll continue with the types of market survey and the practical exercise of the market survey. Thank you.